Guys, let me stop before I look like a freak. But like, yo, we are here. It's quiet. Hey guys, so we're dealing with like
or driver's license. We don't need our
renting a car. Make sure you look at rental cars before y'all start, especially if you're coming here for vacation. Rental cars are very, very important. But yeah, we waiting. Okay. Can't really check into the hotel till later, so we're just waiting on that. So hey guys, so let me go ahead and just break down the experience. Hold on, first of all, we came back to the hotel and whatnot, and so now I'm here with my partner in crime, the Kanger. Don't mind her. You probably didn't see her anyways, but basically, let's just give you a good tour of the hotel since we made it here. We walk in, you know, it looks like this. You know, it's okay. Has a nice vibe. Here's the little area. You got the sink. Got a nice vanity. Anyways, so you have the, you know, the little condiments that they give you with the cup and bar soap, tissue, hand towels, and whatnot. A little closet door. Oh, they got hairdressers. They got the iron boards and the safe apparently. Okay, where to keep confidential things. Okay, and then you come here. This is where the toilet is. Very generic with some towels. Nice little picture. Toilet paper, and here's the shower right here. You know, all nice and dandy and clean and whatnot, I guess. And that's basically it. So it's like you can tell the toilet and the shower is separate from the sink area. So that's definitely one interesting part about it. And then we off to like, you get a little nice wall mirror again. Ooh. And then here's the little, I guess, seating area lamp with the little TV. You got the little double beds and whatnot. Her side, you know, a little nice couch. The only thing I dislike is this. Like what? What? No. This is our view. Okay, woman. I can't even. Y'all see what's going on over there, right? Like, what is that? Like, make it make sense. So basically,
he's driving? Does he have a license?
Ew.
Oh my goodness,
we're blurry.
I know it's different for different places.
Yeah, so don't mind the little hair, guys. Just last minute, you know, thingies. But yes, the apartment tour, not apartment, what am I saying? The room tour of the hotel as a first timer. So I've never been anywhere outside of good old Texas. So my flight left early in the morning, so I had to get up early. I had one of my friends take me, which was really awesome. When I got over there, it was pretty self-explanatory. I would say, like,
being very sad, you know, it's not.
It wasn't hard. It was quite easy getting from point A to point B. Definitely did ask a few questions, but I had to throw away a few things that I needed. But now I know. I'll probably just buy another one here in Atlanta and just put it in one of my bags instead of in my carry-on, so I don't have to throw it away, because now I have no lotion. Now I have no pepper spray. I very much enjoyed the plane ride, even though it was just for like what, an hour, 30 minutes, maybe 2 hours. I enjoyed the experience, like boarding and seeing the door of the plane and then getting inside and learning, you know, how it goes and just sitting down and going up in the air was just like, I wasn't nervous, but I was very anxious. And so I thought it was an experience for me because I didn't get the window seat, sadly, because, you know, people didn't want to move. But it's okay. I got the aisle seat, which is awesome. So, but I was able to look through the window a little bit and see how, you know, how we were going up and up and up, and how it's just like, it's like an elevator lift up. And I thought that was just awesome. And then seeing the sky, we go all the way up and you just see outside of the rain and you go into the clouds. It's nothing but sun. And I was just like, wow, like you see the blue sky, you see the sun, you see the clouds, and it was just so beautiful. And then also with landing, it was just, although there's turbulence, of course, but like I didn't feel scared about it. I knew it was coming, so I was just like, okay. But it's like the trust I felt in the plane. Like I felt so much trust in these pilots, because, you know, I wanted to keep positivity. So I just felt it, and just, man. Just go to baggage claim was something else. It was like taking 10 miles to reach baggage claim. I said, and I was, you know, it was so strange to me as I saw trains in the airport, and I was just like, why do they got trains inside the airport? Little did I know, shoot, if I had gone on there, it would have saved me a ton of walking to get to baggage claim. Crazy. Now I know for the future. I know that for the future, though. But that was an interesting experience, especially wearing heels. Well, not really heels, more like boots that have like the certain amount of heel length and whatever. I have a headache. I'm gonna try to find some food, whether we're gonna go out and go eat, or I'm just gonna eat the snacks that I brought with me, eat that, and then go to our little night party. Oh, sorry, we don't party. We're seeing a gathering of folks for New Year's, so yeah. Alright guys, oh my god, it's New Year's! Well, not yet. In a few minutes it is here in Atlanta though. So we're going to this little thingy-majigger, little gathering of folks and celebrating, you know, New Year's. And so probably not gonna be vlogging during those times, but I'll try to video some of the things. But other than that,